This is the kind of tail you want to look for. Rhinestone t-shirts, stupid backpacks, and Louis Vuitton shoes. I was at Houston. So Houston raised to 25. Jesse called. So Houston's the one that paid for my my shoes over there. $15. The lovely dealer wants to see my new shoes too.
Wow. He raised you with a speed.
See?
There's money though.
That's what he said.
And then he showed me the car. So I know that he's bluffing all the time. He's like bluffing in the bluff,
Not yet.
bluffing in the turn, bluffing in the river. And then I'm like,
I'm wondering how much I can get out of you.
Like,
Whatever this is.
2
350.
hours.
I bet 350. Yes! One for the fans. One card? One card? Okay.
We got flesh draw.